Today's trip to the bookstore takes us to the Cotswold town of Tetbury, and we are visiting the yellow lighted bookshop. As you walk in, you immediately get a warm, welcoming vibe. The bookshop is snug with little literary nooks for a few patrons to tuck themselves into with a volume. I wasn't looking for anything specific, perhaps some poetry, perhaps check out the contemporary literary landscape. We have some gorgeous covers here, and then we have a publishing house that's gone in the opposite direction. We have Elena Ferrante, who I have on my bedside. I've heard good things about The White Tiger, the 40th Man Booker Prize winner. Of course, I was also tempted by the Jane Austens. Lovely additions here. But I told myself I have enough Austens, if indeed that's possible. The spiritual section was lovely and had an edition of Khalil Gibran's The Prophet, searching for a home. I also thought the children's section was absolutely beautiful. One of the main reasons I'm looking forward to having children of my own is so I have the excuse to return to children's literature. Beatrix Potter's Benjamin Bunny is a joy. And that's a chunky Gone with the Wind right there. And here we have Hamnet, which I've heard readers be conflicted about, so I haven't come to it myself yet. My favourite part of the bookstore is the little poetry avenue near the entrance. Ali Smith here. And I picked up John Carey's History of Poetry. I walked out with this one because you can't very well go into a bookstore and leave empty-handed, can you? Political Shakespeare. I'll pass on that one, thank you. And we have a great illustrated Byron here. I love the selection. Derek Walcott is magical. And so I left the store with my purchase and I took my book for a little stroll. If you ever get a chance to visit Tetbury, then you absolutely should. This Cotswold town is one of my favourite places in all of England. It's green, serene, and the perfect place to recline with a good book.